Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add credit or debit card on Zomato account. So first we're going to go to the Zomato app. As I told you, you guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then once you're here, you're going to click on your profile section, which is found at the top right corner. Then once we're here, we're going to scroll downwards until we find the menu section. Then we're going to click on payment settings. So as you can see, there's the add credit or debit card. So we're going to click on the plus button. So here you're going to insert your card number. Then after that, you're going to insert your expiry date. Then you can nickname your card either for personal, business, or other options. Then once you're done, you're going to click on add and secure card. So that's how you do it. It's an easy tutorial. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.